We just found a bird nest. Look, the baby bird. There's a bird right there. Oh my god. Oh my god, that scared me. Look.
Can you make it leave so you could touch the eggs?
No. Oh. Alex, no, don't stop. Alex, what did we just find?
We found a bird nest with eggs and...
They're so warm. They're like so like small, like there's like it doesn't matter.
Like a leaf.
No, like let's get a comparison. They were small.
Like a little ball.
Probably like this.
Like a little ball.
Probably like this small.
No, like
or
this.
bigger, but like
this small.
kind of like this.
This small.
Yeah, kind of like that small, like how the circle shape is on the leaf.
If you guys wanted us to make it to see it,
to make a part 2 so we can see how it's gone, like leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, right?
Yeah. Comment down below
if you want to see a part 2.
And which bird? What's your favorite color of the? What's your favorite feather color? Bird.
Okay. Top
color.
comment. That's a comment of the week. Okay. So see
10,000 subscribers. I mean,
we're gonna cut
50.